Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today we will discuss 50 most important MCQs for headmaster, headmistress, subject specialist and lecturer posts. चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. The concise Oxford Dictionary defines curriculum as a course of learning, b chariot race course, c course of study, d none. The correct answer is b chariot race course. MCQs number 2. Without suitable curriculum, aims of education: a can be achieved, b cannot be achieved, c can be changed, d none. Correct answer is b cannot be achieved. Without suitable curriculum हम जो एम्स ऑफ एजुकेशन है उनको हासिल नहीं कर सकते. थर्ड नंबर पे जो MCQs है, Anila is 8 years old girl. She does not like to study. You as a teacher, A request her to study despite she is not interested. B give her oral work. C describes the benefits of study. D leave on her own in the class. Correct answer is C. आप अगर कोई बच्चा जिस तरह इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है पढ़ाई में होता तो टीचर का क्या वो है ड्यूटी है कि वो डिस्क्राइब्स द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ स्टडी. ये सी इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. फोर्थ MCQs है, द फिलोसफर हु फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मैंशन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ प्ले और स्पोर्ट्स इन एजुकेशन वाज. कौन सा फिलोसफर है जो कि जिसने सबसे पहले स्पोर्ट्स की इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में मैंशन किया. ए सोक्रेट्स, बी प्लेटो, सी एरिस्टोटल, डी जॉन लॉक. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी एरिस्टोटल. फिफ्थ नंबर MCQs, द ब्रांच ऑफ फिलोसफी फोकसेस ऑन द नेचर ऑफ रियलिटी इज आ कनेक्शनिज्म, बी एपिस्टेमोलॉजी, सी मेटाफिजिक्स, डी पेडागोगी. तो करेक्ट आंसर है सी मेटाफिजिक्स. 6 number MCQs, in cooperative learning method the role of teacher is of. कोऑपरेटिव जो लर्निंग मेथड होता है उसमें टीचर का रोल क्या होता है. ए फैसिलिटेटर, बी डेलीगेटर, सी फैसिलिटेटर एंड डेलीगेटर, डी डेलीगेटर एंड फॉर्मल अथॉरिटी. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी फैसिलिटेटर एंड डेलीगेटर. 7th number MCQs, the teaching approach in which students share knowledge with other students through a variety of structures is known as. A cooperative classroom model, B cooperative behavior model, C cooperative learning model, D none of these. The correct answer is C. Question number 8 है, discovery teaching is actually a dash. A positivist approach, B dialectical approach, C constructivist approach, D destructive approach. Correct answer is C constructivist approach. 8th number MCQs, character is developed by A willpower, B conduct and behavior, C molarity, D all of the above. तो जो करेक्टर है वो डेवलप होता है बाय ऑल ऑफ द अबव. विल पावर, कंडक्ट एंड बिहेवियर और मोरालिटी. 10th नंबर पे है, पेडागोजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ. ए एजुकेशन, बी टीचिंग मेथड, सी लर्निंग प्रोसेस, डी guiding students, and correct answer is B teaching methods. 11th number पे है, Council of Technical Education was recommended to establish under A Education Conference 1947, B National Education Commission 1959, C National Education Policy 1970, D Natural Education Policy 1972. And correct answer is A Educational Conference 1947. 12 नंबर पे है, in co-education you A you deal according to need, D you need give preference to boys over girls. C. Make separate rows of boys and girls. D. You give preference to none. Correct answer is A. You deal according to needs. 13 number MCQs. The dash is a measure of how spreads out points are from the mean. A. Arithmetic means. B. Geometric means. C. Standard deviation. D. Variance. Correct answer is C. Standard deviation. 14 number. The amount set apart by East India Company for educational purpose was rupees 1 lakh. A. B. 15,000. C. 1400. D. 12,000. Correct answer is A. 1 lakh. 15 number. Rather than telling teacher, lay students to concept through a series of order questions in A. Socratic method. B. Aristotelian method. C. Heuristic method. D. Platonic method. Its answer is A. Socratic method. 16 number. According to the SR, bonds are stronger if an individual is ready to learn. A. Law of effect. B. Law of exercise. C. Law for readiness. Law of connectionism. Correct answer is C. Law of readiness. 17 number. Syllabus is a part of A. Student. B. School. C. Parents. D. Curriculum. Correct answer is D. Syllabus is a part of curriculum. 18 number. 18 number MCQs. Conferences are face to face. A. Discussions. B. Negotiations. C. Meetings. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Discussions. 19 number. The most important duty of a teacher is A. Complete the syllabus. B. Maintain discipline in the class. C. Understand the student. D. Teach well. Correct answer is A. Complete the syllabus. 20 number MCQs. The advocates of philosophy of pragmatism believes that reality is A. Imagination. B. Stagnant. C. Constantly changing. D. Related to mind. Correct answer is C. Constantly changing. 21st MCQs. The philosopher who worked in mathematical and scientific didactic was A. Jean Piaget. B. John Dewey. C. Martin Wittgenstein. D. Lev Vygotsky. Correct answer is C. Martin Wittgenstein. 22. The book Email or on Education, on the Nature of Education and Man is written by A. Aristotle. B. Plato. C. John Dewey. D. Rousseau. And the correct answer is D. Rousseau. 23 number MCQs. The most recent response is most likely to A. Forget. B. Compromised. C. Reoccur. D. Not occur again. Correct answer is C. The most recent response is most likely to reoccur. 24th number. Responses that produced a satisfying effect in a particular situation become dash to occur again in that situation. A. Not likely. B. Equally likely. C. Less likely. D. More likely. Correct answer is D. More likely. 25th number MCQs. All who have meditated on the art of governing mankind have been convinced that the fact of empires depends on the education of youth. This is the saying of A. Aristotle. B. Socrates, C. Plato, D. John Locke. The correct answer is B. Socrates. 26 MCQs. Plato believes that talent and intelligence are A. Distributed genetically, B. Not distributed genetically, C. Distributed gender wise, D. Not distributed gender wise. Correct answer is B. Distributed not distributed genetically. 27 number. A posteriori knowledge is knowledge that is known by A. Analysis, B. Information, C. Experience, D. Evidence. Correct answer is C. By experience. 28 number. The conclusion of a deductive argument is A. Certain, B. Experience, C. Observation, D. Probable. And the correct answer is A. Certain. The conclusion of a deductive argument is certain. 29 number. According to Jean Piaget, children develop abstract logic and reasoning skill during A. Sensorimotor stage, B. Pre-operational stage, C. Concrete operational stage, D. Formal operational stage. Correct answer is D. Formal operational stage. 30 number MCQs. What was the relation between Socrates and Plato? A. Socrates was students of Plato, B. Plato was students of Socrates, C. Socrates and Plato were brothers, D. Socrates and Plato were colleagues. Correct answer is B. That Plato was students of Socrates. 31st MCQs. When a learner is learning to satisfy his needs and wants, he is actually doing A. Cognitive learning, B. Sensory learning, C. Experiential learning, D. Behavior learning. Correct answer is C. Experiential learning. 32 MCQs. An assessment that is carried out through the course is called A. Initial assessment, B. Diagnostic assessment, C. Formative assessment, D. Summative assessment. Correct answer is C. Formative assessment. Next is 33 number question. To make classroom teaching more effective, every teacher should discuss with colleagues A. Response of students, B. Keep him herself abreast of development in the area of his or her subject, C. Publish his her writing, D. None of them. Correct answer is A. Response of students. 34 number. If students do not understand what is taught in the class, the teacher should A. Repeat the lesson once again, B. Teach the lesson again giving more examples, C. Proceed to the next lesson so that syllabus could be covered, D. Check up the previous knowledge of the student in the topic. Correct answer is D. Check up the previous knowledge of the student in the topic. 35 number. Assessment is one which measures what is it is intended to measure. A. Valid, B. Invalid, C. Reliable, D. Unreliable. Correct answer is A. Valid. And 35 number. Which of the following is not an informal assessment? A. Assignments, B. Observation, C. Rating scale, D. Discussion. Correct answer is A. Assignment. 37 number. Indirect instructional method or lecture method. The teacher is considered as A. Partner, B. Facilitator, D. Delegator, C. Delegator, D. Formal authority. Correct answer is D. Formal authority. 38 number. The simplest skill. The simplest skill in cognitive domain of Bloom's taxonomy is A. Remembering, B. Understanding, C. Evaluating, D. Synthesizing. The simplest skill is A. Remembering. 39 number. Dash is a student generated list of words maintained by the students to remind them of words they need more work on. A. Word list, B. Spelling notebook. C. Matching words. D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Spelling notebook. Next 40 number. Components of curriculum is A. Evaluation. B. Objective. C. Teaching strategies. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. Evaluation, objectives and teaching strategies both all are the components of curriculum. 41 number. MCQs. Model of curriculum presently being used at any stage in Pakistan is A. Activity. B. Subject. C. Integrated. D. All of above. And the correct answer of this is D. All of the above. Detailed content of the subject for a class are called A. Course. B. Behavior. C. Design. D. Logical sequence. Correct answer is A. Course. 43 number. Keep in view the types of students in the class are generally grouped as dash. A. Average. B. Below average. C. Above average. D. All. The correct answer is D. All. 44 number MCQs. Which one is not the component of curriculum? A. Design. B. Evaluation. C. Curriculum design. D. Abilities. Correct answer is A. Design. 45 number. Dielectric or dielectric method is a discourse between opposing parties to establish the truth through A. Investigation. B. Dialogues. C. Reasoned arguments. D. Presenting proofs. Correct answer is C. Reasoned arguments. 46 number. Plato believes that talent and intelligence are A. Distributed genetically, not distributed genetically. C. Distributed gender wise, not distributed gender wise. Correct answer is B. Not distributed genetically. Next, who advocates removing children from their mother's care and raising them as ward of the state? A. Socrates. B. Plato. C. Aristotle. G. John Locke. And the correct answer of this is B. Plato. 48 number. According to the law of effect, if a stimulus result in a positive outcome, the SR bond is A. Strengthened. B. Weakened. C. Stabilized. D. Unstabilized. Correct answer is A. Strengthened. 49. Who discovered the electrons? A. J.J. Thomson. B. James Maxwell. C. Yuri Gagarin. D. Michael Faraday. And the correct answer is A. J.J. Thomson. 50 number MCQs. Who discovered the diesel engine? A. Rudolf Diesel. B. Faraday. C. Voltaire. D. Paul Muller. And the correct answer is Rudolf Diesel. Discovered the diesel engine. So these are most important 50 MCQs. Learn them and get success in future test.